Hey, Advanced Portfolio kids. I'm just going over what is due this week. This week, if you look over here on our calendar, the Creative Challenge is due. So please make sure that you hand that into your folder. And then you should already have a portfolio folder right here. You're going to put that into your folder. And then you will hand in your link onto Schoology. So please make sure that you have that handed in today. I need that by today. If you look on here, the voting for Best Creative Challenge is going to be on Wednesday. You will get a Google form. You will look through everybody's folders and you will pick your top choices. And then from there, I will let everybody know whose pieces won the challenge. So please make sure you have that handed in so then yours can be part of the voting process. Other thing that you needed to do last week, I did touch base with a couple of you regarding your body of work piece number 2. That is due next week. I do need you to update me on what you're doing. So either you can do a video and send it to me, or you can do a Zoom conference time. You can email me. I need to know what you're doing. If you have that piece already finished, upload it to your file. I can your folder on Google, and I can look at it and give you some feedback. So please make sure that you are touching base with me. Last week there was an actual assignment where you did need to touch base. So please make sure that you are letting me know what you're doing and I can see your progress. It's really important since these are summative assignments. Other than that, it's a pretty easy week. Again, please let me know what you're doing so I can give you some feedback. And then have an amazing week. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.